Now today's topic is regarding your wheat, jawar, bajra or ragi, what to eat. Okay, so if you are going to consider the calories and if you are going to consider the nutritional values of each, you will understand what to eat and what not to eat for your weight loss and for your diabetes. So in case of wheat, if you take a 30 gram of chapati, okay, or 30 gram of you can have dough, okay, 30 gram of dough, or making chapati after 30 gram, whatever is the thing, you will get the calories around 100 to 120. Okay, second thing regarding wheat is that you get a protein complex called as gluten in the wheat, which may cause allergy, which may disturb your abdominal system, or which may disturb your digestive property. So many of us may not get that allergy or gluten sensitivity, but those who are getting that after eating wheat, you can avoid wheat. Instead of that, you can have jawar, ragi, nachni, or bajra in case of that. Okay. So now the second thing is that you have to calculate the calories and what you like. So if I want to eat ladies finger sabji or vegetable, then I'll eat wheat or I'll eat chapati of wheat. But I will not prefer jawar bhakri with ladies finger. But of course, with many vegetables, we can prefer jawar bhakri, or with many things you can have your nachni or ragi and your bajra. Okay. Now, what is the choice of them? So first thing is that what you are going to eat from your previous days or from your childhood, you can prefer that with that sabji. There is no problem. Only thing is that you just have to calculate the calories, that one wheat chapati of 30 gram will contain 100 to 120 calories, while one bhakri maybe around the middle size bhakri is around 50 grams, so that is contain more calories. But if you are going to like that with that particular sabji, like methi sabji, you can eat jawar bhakri, so no problem in that. Calories here and there, something here and there, because you can understand that eating one bhakri will be more sufficient than eating one chapati. Okay, so you have to eat more chapati if you want to fulfill the stomach, but you can eat one bhakri with fulfill of the stomach. So remember that also. Second thing is that what about your nachni, ragi, or your bajra? Okay, so jawar and nachni and bajra, if you want to compare, jawar contains more fibers, but rather than that, bajra contains more iron and nachni contains more iron as well as calcium. Okay, so now you have to decide what you have to eat, because if three of us, amongst three, if you want to have a choice of your bhakri, then you can have that calorie content also, and of course your nutritional value. So those who are having anemia, they can eat your nachni or bajri, but you have to check your blood sugar levels after eating each, that whether your wheat is having more property of increasing your blood sugar, or jawar is having, or bajra is having, or nachni is having, because everybody acts differently. So that is the main thing, difference between that three, jawar, bajra and nachni. So this is the second important point I want to come to you for the notice. Then I have explained you what you get from jawar, what you get from bajra, what you get from nachni or ragi. Okay, and third thing is that comes into the mind with rice. Okay, that is mainly the brown rice everybody is preferring for weight loss and diabetes. No need. The why brown rice is not needed, because it will take, I think, 10 to 20 whistles to take in the cooker, pressure cooker. That is difficult to cook. Second thing is, the thing which is difficult to cook will not digest easily. So it will not give you the nutritional values what you want to get from that rice. Okay, it will disturb your digestive power. You will get disturbances in the digestion. So better to avoid that brown rice, and you can take a simple rice which after putting the rice into the water, the upper water should get white. That means that rice is correct for you. So that may be your Indrayani rice, that may be Ambe Mohar rice. So you can prefer that also. Only thing is you have to take into your mind is the calories what you get from the rice. Again, 100 gram rice will contain 400 calories, while if you have a ball of rice which has around 30 gram, you may contain 100 to 120. If you want to add nutrition value in that, you can have dal into that. So dal rice you can have, dal khichdi you can have pulao. If you want to eat some vegetables with them, you can add paneer into them and make it more tasty. So instead of brown rice, you can get a moderate amount of white rice also with a moderate amount of fibers, because brown rice contain more fibers, it is difficult to digest. So this is all about your wheat, jawar, bajra, nachni, and corn flour. Corn flour, don't eat corn flour in case of your diabetes also and weight loss also, because corn flour is having highest glycemic index. That means it will increase the blood sugar levels definitely. Okay, so avoid that corn flour, or you can have makke ki bhakri. We are going to eat that, you should have to avoid. Okay, so whatever you are eating from your childhood, make that combination with bhakri pitla, or lady's finger with your chapati, or paneer with your chapati. Nobody eats paneer with the bhakri. Okay, so that is the preference what you have to give with your nutritional values, and what you are eating, you have to eat it carefully and wisely. Thank you very much.